Hi guys, welcome to a new video from Vanguard Solutions. My name is Tim and I'm going to show you how to repair the Vanguard Speedloader. I brought one Speedloader with me today which has a broken motor gearbox. If you have the same problem as me, then visit our website vanguardsolutions.com and order your motor gearbox to repair it. So let's open up the Speedloader to see what is the problem. Well, I'm not an engineer, but this doesn't sound good, and also I don't see the main gear moving, so we have a real problem with the main gearbox. Let's open it up. To remove the internals, we're first gonna remove the lid. First, we disconnect the connector. We remove the lid and we put it on the side. So to remove the internals, we want to lift it up, but it is now fixed inside the case with some tape. Therefore, we need to heat up the case from underneath, and therefore you can use the torch, or if you don't have the torch at home, you can use the heat gun or anything what you have available at home. For now, I'm gonna use the torch. So while I'm heating up from underneath the case, I'm pulling gently on the output tube, and if it is heated up enough, it will come loose and you will feel it yourself. So I just felt the backside of the internals came loose. So now I will heat up the front and I will pull gently towards the ground. And then I felt it came already loose. So now the internals came loose from underneath the case. Take it out by pulling on the output tube. Like this. Put your internals like this on your desk, and now it's time to remove 6 screws which are visible on the internals, and therefore you're going to use the 2mm Allen key. But I ain't worried, there's no fear. I got my mags and my gear packed tight, but there's one tool that keeps me light. No more fumbling, no more waste with my third screw. I'm setting the pace in the heat of the fourth. It's clear to see Vanguard's got the edge for me. Load 'em up, fast and clean. Vanguard Speedloader, it's a dream. Babies fly just like a breeze. And the last, which is a bit hidden, I'll show you. In the heat of the game, I know I'm set. Vanguard Speedloader, the best one yet. Running low, I hear the click, but with Vanguard I'm gently remove the tape here on the side and fold it open. Also remove this part. And there we have the problem. Right there in front of the output tube is a broken BB. This caused a jam, and probably that's why also the motor has a failure right now. And that's why we are going to replace the motor gearbox. Therefore, remove this gear. Use your plier for the second gear. And then you can remove the BBs. Before unscrewing the motor, it's important to align the pump section, and this we do with 2 screws. So you will just put one in this corner underneath, and put one in the corner all the way up. And now you can remove the screws from the motor. Just stacking crown. Every second saved means more play. Vanguard keeps me in the fray. Load 'em up, fast and clean. Vanguard Speedloader, it's a dream. Babies fly just like a breeze. Click, snap, reload with ease. Right here I have the motor gearbox combination, and we got now 2 options what we can do. First of all, we can replace the whole motor gearbox combination, but therefore you will need to have a solder station at home. If you're choosing for this option, make sure you're also replacing the capacitor back where it belongs. Most likely is that we have a problem which is caused in the gearbox and that we need to replace the gearbox itself. And this is what I'm going to show you right now. So we are going to unscrew the 3 screws what we see here to open it up. and therefore I'm going to use this Phillips 0 screwdriver.
Push it down, watch the rounds just stack and crown. Every second saved means more play. Vanguard keeps me in the fray. Load 'em up, fast and clean. Vanguard Speedloader, it's a dream. Babies fly just like.
And now I'm going to separate the gearbox from the motor.
In the heat of the game, I know I'm set. Vanguard Speedloader, the best one yet.
So we are now taking the new motor gearbox combination, but we only need the gearbox.
This loader's built to work, not scam. Every mag gets filled just right, ready for the next firefight. Vanguard's got me locked and loaded, every mag perfectly coded when it counts, and the pressure's high. I can trust it every time.
And if you have them all unscrewed, you can take the gearbox from the new motor and you're going to replace it back on the motor which you already had.
In the heat of the game, I know I'm set. Vanguard Speedloader, the best one yet. So when you're out there in the zone,
now you're going to screw it back on.
Dry, you're not alone. With Vanguard solutions, you'll never fall. Load 'em up and give it your all.
Simple as that, a new gearbox on your motor. And now it's time to build everything back.
Running low, I hear the click, but with Vanguard I'm back so quick. No more hands covered in BBs falling. With one smooth push, I hear 'em calling. Tighten up the mag, push it down. Watch the rounds just stack and crown. Every second saved means more play. Vanguard keeps me in the fray. Load 'em up, fast and clean. Vanguard.
When you are replacing the screws from the motor, don't tighten them up till the max, because we still need to align the main gear. So we replace the main gear, and what comes now is a very important step because of the alignment from the main gear. Therefore we are going to fill the main gear with BBs.
This loader's built to work, not scam. Every mag gets filled just right, ready for the next firefight. Vanguard's got me locked and loaded, every mag perfectly coded when it counts, and the pressure's high.
So now we are ready to tighten the motor screws, but it is very important to press the motor to the left corner, this side. While you're doing that, you can tighten the screws from it.
Vanguard Speedloader, the best one yet. So when you're out there in the zone and the mag runs dry, you're not alone. With Vanguard solutions, you'll never fall. Load 'em up and give it your all.
And now we are already almost done. Let's place back the second gear. Remove the alignment screws, because we still need to close the pump section.
Tighten up the mag, push it down. Watch the rounds just stack and crown. Every second
Close the pump section.
Vanguard keeps me in the fray. Load 'em up, fast and clean. Vanguard Speedloader.
And place back all the screws. All 6, and don't forget the hidden one.
Click, snap, reload with ease. In the heat of the game, I know
Tighten them
I'm
up.
set. Vanguard Speedloader, the best one yet. No more struggle, no more jam. This loader's built to work, not scam. Every mag gets filled just
Let's
right.
put back the internals.
Ready for the next firefight. Vanguard's got me locked and loaded, every mag perfectly
Press it
coded
down
when it
on both
counts,
sides for
and
the
the
fixed tape.
pressure's high. I can trust it every time. Load 'em up,
Place back the
fast
lid.
and clean. Vanguard Speedloader, it's a dream. Babies fly just
Connect the wires again.
click, snap, reload with ease. In the heat of the game, I know I'm set. Vanguard
Let's put in some
Speedloader,
BBs to test.
best one yet. So when you're out there in the zone and the mag runs dry, you're not alone. With Vanguard solutions, you'll
As you can see, the
never
Speedloader is
fall.
working like it
And
used to
give
be.
it your all.
I hope your Speedloader is working without any problems, but if you may have any problems, I hope this video is working for you. Team Vanguard, see you in the next video.